How to create a dictionary of two pandas DataFrame columns. What is the most efficient way to organize the following pandas DataFrame? Data equals into a dictionary like alphabet 1 column A, 2 column B, 3 column C, 4 column D, 5 column E.
Speed comparison, using Wauter's method.
I found a faster way to solve the problem, at least on realistically large datasets using df.set_index_key.to_dict value. Proof on 50,000 rows. Output.
This will give you
In Python 3.6, the fastest way is still the Wouter of Vermeer one. Pico's proposal is slower than the other two options. Results.
If you want to see more, please